Hey, good afternoon, second grade. We are ready for math. So you have your math application problem. You have your problem set, and then you have a homework sheet in there today, okay? So you have three papers. You have three papers, and they should be stapled together, I believe. Okay, well, let's go on and get ready. Okay, with our application problem, it reads, Mrs. Beachy went shopping with $42. She spent $18. How much money did she have left? Okay, let's read that again. Mrs. Beachy went shopping with $42. She spent $18. How much money did she have left? Okay, well, we know she started with 42. Okay, she had $42. She spent $18. Okay, well, if she spent $18, does that mean somebody give it to her or that she gave it away? Yeah, she spent it. She had to give it to somebody. So if we give something to somebody, we know that we have to subtract. We know that we subtract. And then our question is, how much left? How much did she have left? And we know that we're going to subtract because we already talked about that. She spent some money. It went away. So we have to subtract. Okay? Well, let's work this out like we've been working out some of our math problems right now with our T. My problem would be 42 minus 18. That's the problem that I would have to solve. 42 minus 18. Well, I'm going to make my small t here. You can do that too. Tens, ones, star, box, line, subtractions mark. Okay? 42 goes in first, 4 tens and 2 ones. 18 goes in next, 1 10, 8 ones. So there's my subtraction problem. 42 minus 18. Hey, well, I'm going to make my big T. Tens, ones, star. I'm not going to make a box, but I'm going to go and put my line at the bottom. Okay? And I am going to subtract. So I put a subtraction symbol there. I'm going to subtract. Okay? Well, I'm going to start with my first number, 42. I see that there are 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see that there are 2 ones. 1, 2. Okay, I have 42. Now I'm going to work with my 18. Since I'm subtracting, I'm not writing that number in there. I am not drawing those circles. I am not drawing those circles. If I was adding, I would, but I'm subtracting. I'm subtracting. Okay, I'm taking it away because she spent some. So I'm not going to draw them. So I need to see, I have 2 ones. I need to take 8. Okay, if you show me 2, can we take 8 from this 2? We sure not. We sure cannot. Unless we cut our fingers into lots of little pieces. So I need some help. I need some more circles. So I know that 110 is 10 ones. Let me say that again. I know that 110 is 10 ones. So I'm going to borrow some 10 ones. I'm going to cross out my 10, and I'm going to make my 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's very important that you count when you make those circles. Make them in nice straight rows. Otherwise, you're totally going to have a different answer if you don't do it neatly. Neatly. Okay, well, now I can take 8 away. Now I have 8 over there. So I'm going to start taking 8 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I took 8 away. And I can count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Making sure that I'm taking that 8 away. I'm going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 ones left. And I'm going to write that down here. I have 4 ones left. Okay? But I'm not finished. I got to subtract my 10s now. Because we always do the ones first with the star, and then we have to come back and do our 10s. I have 1 10 I need to subtract. I'm going to take 1 more 10 away. So, I'm going to make a mark in, and I'm going to mark it off, cross it off. How many 10s do I have left? 1, 2. I have 2 10s. I know that 2 10s, 4 1s makes 24. So my answer is 24. So I can write on the back side of it, or on the bottom of it if you don't have the back side of it. You might not have the back side. Right on the bottom of it or something. We can say, she has $24. That's it, with a dollar sign. She has $24. That's what she had left, $24 after she went shopping. Okay? And that is our application problem for today. Okay? We practiced that subtraction skill. After we got our information, we wrote in a subtraction problem. We made a T and put our numbers in. We made a larger T so we could add our circles. We had to get 10 ones from this 110 and draw them over here. Then we could cross out our 8. And then we had to take 1 more away right here to give us 2 left, to make 2 10s, 4 1s. Okay? Good. Okay, well, let's move on to the problem set. Let's move to the problem set. Okay? Go on and get this erased. So it's not such a mess up here. Hey, get these numbers erased. Hey, here we go. Let's look at problem A. It says in the directions, we're going to solve these by drawing our place value chart and chips, or circles, to model the problems. Show how you change 110 for 10 ones when necessary. That means there might be a time we don't have to draw. We don't have to take a 10 and make 10 ones. Okay? So, my first problem is 31 minus 19. Okay? So let's work that one. I want you to go on and get a little T drawn and then a big T in that box. Draw your little T and draw your big T in that same box. Okay? Little T and a big T. I'll wait just a couple of seconds here so you can draw both of them, because we're going to be using both of them. Little T, big T, because that's what it's asking us to do. Okay? So, in your small t, in your little t, I'm going to take 31. That's my first number. 31 is 3 10s and 1 1. Okay? 19 is my second number. 1 10 and 9 1s. Okay? 1 10 and 9 1s. Now I'm ready to draw my circles. Okay? Now I'm ready to draw my circles. I'm going to start with my 31. I have 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. I have 1 1. 1. I'm subtracting. So I'm not going to draw 19 circles down here. I'm subtracting. I'm taking away. So I'm looking at my ones. I have to have 9. I have to cross off 9 circles. I have 1 circle. Can I cross 9 out of 1? No, I need to get some more circles. I need to get some more. So I'm going to get a 10, because I know 1 10 is the same as 10 1s. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and neat, and I count as I draw. They're not all over the place. They're in nice, neat rows. Okay, now we can go back and cross off our 9. We can cross off 9 ones. Starting at the back, the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Now I can count how many I have left. If I need to, I can go back and count and make sure I did 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, I crossed off 9. I have 1, 2. I have 2 ones left. 2 ones left. Hey, I got to go back over here. In 19, I have 1 10. I need to cross off 1 more 10. 1 10. Hey, and I have 1 10 left. And I know 1 10, 2 ones makes 12. So my answer is 12. Let me tell you another mistake. I was working with a group today, in a small group. And somebody said, oh, I figured out how to do this because I can just subtract a 3 minus that 1 and get 2. And then I know that's my answer in my tens. And I said, let's check that out and see if that's true. We did the problem, and we only ended up with a 1 over there because we had to cross that 1 off. You have to cross it off. But more than that, you have to do your ones first. That's why we have a star. You have to work with your ones first, or you will never get the right answer. So say that to yourself in your brain. I have to do the ones first to get the correct answer. I have to do the ones first to get the correct answer. Okay? We learned that this morning. Okay, good. Well, I want you to do B, and then we're going to check it. So I want you to work on letter B. You work on letter B by yourself. Okay? And then I'll work it out in just a little bit here for you to see. 46, or no, let's do this one together. Minus 24. Let's do this one together. Okay, because I want to show you the difference. So, I have 46. I have 24. I have my numbers put in. I'm still subtracting. So, I'm going to draw my chips, my circles. I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I have 6 ones. I'm ready to subtract. I know I subtract in the ones first. I have 4. Okay, I have 4. I have 6 chips. Can I cross off 4 from that 6? Yeah, I can take 4 from 6. Do I need to get a 10 to help me? No, I have enough circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have enough circles. I do not need to get 10 more circles. If I get 10 more circles, my answer is not going to be correct. Okay? So, if I have enough circles to subtract this number, to cross off, I do not have to get that 10. I do not have to get that 10. So, I have 4. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I still have some left. So I did not have to borrow any 10s. I did not have to cross out a 10 and get 10 ones because I could take 4 from 6. Okay? I have 2 ones left. Okay? And 4 10s. Hey, I want you to work on letter C. Hello? Daniel? Yeah, he goes by Daniel in the classroom. Yeah, that's how we do it. Bye-bye. so you are working on letter C. You are working on letter C. Go on and try that one on your own. Letter C. Okay? Now, I won't be able to see if you're truthful with me, whether or not you got it correct or not. So, you need to be honest with yourself, okay? If you didn't get it correct, watch how I do it. If you get it correct, yay for you. But if you didn't get it correct and you say that you did in your mind, that's not helping. And you're never going to learn how to do it correctly, okay? So, if I get this problem finished, letter C, and you didn't get it correct, please watch how I do it so that you can correct your mistakes, okay? And don't just copy what I'm doing. That's why I'm giving you time right now to do letter C. I'm giving you some time right now to do that letter C. Because I don't want you to get it wrong. I want you to practice to get it correct. Okay? I want you to practice getting it correct. If you're just always doing what I'm doing, then you're not learning on your own. And I can't see what you're doing until you bring your papers back on Friday. Okay? So, I'm assuming that you can pause this so that you can do that problem and then come back on so you can see if you got it correct. 51 minus 33. Well, I'm going to put 5 tens, 1 1, 3 tens, 3 1s. I'm ready to draw my circles. I have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 1 1. So I drew that. I'm subtracting, so I'm not drawing 33 more. I'm looking. I have to have 3. Oh, I only have 1. I can't take 3 from this 1, so I need to get some help. I'm crossing off my 10, and I'm making 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm ready to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I can count what I did. 1, 2, 3. Yep, I crossed off 3. I can count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 1s. Now, I have 3 10s though. I still need to cross off 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. I have 1 10 left. See how I did that one? I had to go back and cross off 3 because it told me to take 3 off. If I would have just said 5 minus 3 is 2, I would have got it wrong. That's why we start in the 1s. Okay? So I know that 1 10 and 8 1s makes 18. And that answer is 18. That answer is 18. Okay? I would like you to practice letter F. Let's do letter F, okay? And I'll know if you watch this if you skip the other 2 and just go straight to letter F. F. So go on and you work letter F out. Pause the computer, okay? And then you can work on letter F. You can pause the computer and work on letter F. I'm just going to wait just a little bit here, a couple minutes. So see, I'll know if you do all of them, then I know you didn't listen to me. If you listen to me, we're only going to do letter F. Hey, put me on pause because I don't want you to see this. Then get it finished and then you can continue watching. Hey, I have 77 minus 58. I told you it doesn't do any good for you to continue just to write what I do. And don't lie to yourself and say, oh yeah, I got it right when you really didn't. Then you need to correct it, okay? 77, I have 7 10s, 7 1s. 58. 5 10s, 8 1s. I'm ready to put some circles in. I have 7 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm ready to subtract. I'm subtracting so I don't draw these. Okay, well, let's see. I have 7. 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Can I take 8 from there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, I can't take 8 away. So I need to get my friends. I need to get that help. I need to cross out a 10, and I need to make 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice and straight, nice and clear, so you can count those circles, not just all over the place in lines that go sideways. Nice and straight so you can count them better. And now I'm ready to take off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can count what's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 1s left. Okay? Now I have to look in my 10s. I have to take 5 more because it tells me I still have to subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 1 10 left. So I hope you got 19. 1 10, 9 1s is 19. I hope you got 19 for your answer. Okay? Good job. All right. So we are finished with our problem set. For your homework tonight, I want you, and see, this will be another thing. I want you to actually turn to the page 60, the back side. I want you to turn to the back side. I know the front side because the front side has these little things already in there. You're past that stage. So we're not doing the front side. You can cross that front side out. See? I know if you follow me on the YouTube, I'll know what you did because I know what I crossed out. We're not doing the front. I want you to do the 6 problems on the back. You're going to make a small T, just like that, and put them in. You're going to make your larger T right next to it, just like we did on the problem set. You're going to use your chips to subtract, and you're going to put your answer underneath the small T, just like I did here. Okay? Or put your answer up on the line, one place or the other, that the answer needs to go. I don't want to see this for your answer. You have to take this and write it either here or both places. So you have these 6 problems yet to do in math. Okay, good luck. Remember tomorrow, mommy or daddy needs to bring the packets you're working on and get your new packets sometime between 1 and 4. 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. That's as long as somebody's going to be here tomorrow. 1 to 4. 1 o'clock ends the lunch pickup. So if mom gets here at 1 o'clock, she can still get your lunch, get some lunches for you, and pick up your packets and turn in your old packets. Okay? Tomorrow. Also tomorrow, I have my Google Meet in the morning with my purple group. My purple group tomorrow, I believe it's 9:30. I can check and see. My purple group. Yes. Purple group, 9:30 tomorrow morning. Have your story, have your paper and your math paper. Purple group tomorrow morning, 9:30. Pick up new packets and return old packets from 1 to 4 tomorrow. I will see you just a little bit for social studies. Goodbye.